Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you're doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. And I'm very glad that I help you out in some manner. So, this is your bonus love reading for the month of December 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it will resonate with you. I hope I help you out in some manner, but take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Okay, I don't read reversals and gender is not specific here. And I have already uploaded your main reading, your general reading. You can have a look on that too. So let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages for my beautiful magical beings Aquarius for the month of December 2021. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the important messages for Aquarius for the month of December 2021. What are the important messages? Please give me the important messages for Aquarius 2021. Courage. Okay. Please give me the messages for Aquarius. Rebirth I was seeing here. Okay. So you are going through a process of death and rebirth here, and right now you have to keep the patience and your courage here, Aquarius. Okay, so there is some kind of guilt which you are facing right now here, Aquarius. Maybe you're feeling like you're facing some kind of guilt, but do not worry at all. Keep your courage with you. Okay, keep your courage with you and have patience. Maybe some of you are going to give birth to some new ideas, a new relationship, a new job, something you are giving birth to. Okay, this is the Empress energy. Right now you have to keep patience, and you are flowering into beautiful lotus here, into beautiful flower. This is the death and rebirth energy. Whatever experiences you are facing here, there are new adventures which are coming up for you. You are entering into colorful. Can you see how this colorful circle is this, and the child is entering into this colorful world. So there are a lot of adventures which are coming up for you. There is a breakthrough which is coming up for you. Okay, so there is a breakthrough which is coming up. This is beautiful message here. So let me add more messages. What are the messages? Please give me the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Please give me the messages for the month of December. Happy family, happy life. Four of Wands. What are the healer? First chakra, Archangel Michael. Any other message? Temple path and victory. Beautiful energies. Community are working with you here, Aquarius. You are not alone. The angels, the universe, the divine, all are working together to bring the beautiful things in your life. Okay, there is healing which is coming up here. So healer of the ages is here. So the healing is coming up. There is happy family, happy life which is also coming here. Maybe you can see lot of rainbows these days. And your root chakra, the first chakra, Archangel Michael. Okay, so Archangel Michael is with you. Your first chakra, the root chakra, is getting activated because you are working on yourself. You're choosing the temple path. You're working on yourself. You're doing the inner work, and you're doing the inner work and meditation and healing of yourself. That's why the chakra activations are happening. There is a victory which is coming up here for you. What is this victory all about? Okay, so you will move in a forward direction by taking actions. That's the Chariot energy here. Maybe right now you are going through some kind of financial constraints. Okay, but do not worry at all. You are going to move in a forward direction. This is the Chariot energy. You're going to take the actions. You know what is white and what is black, what is right and what is wrong here. There is a man holding heart here. So someone wants to offer you their heart. Okay, someone wants to give their heart here. Then there is the world. So you're completing a cycle, you're closing out a cycle, you're ending a cycle, and you are starting a new beginning here. Okay. And bottom of the deck also I'm having the yin yang. So this is the balance of inner masculine and the inner feminine. You're going to get the balance of your yin yang energies. And second meaning is that there is a union of inner masculine and the inner feminine energies within yourself. And those Aquarius, you are in a twin flame journey. There is a twin flame which is coming up for you. Okay, so let's see more messages. Let me make some space here. Okay, let me add one message from the Grace cards. Thank you. Thank you for giving the messages. Please give me the message for Aquarius for this reading. Please give me the message here for Aquarius. Mirror. Learn to see presence. Learn to see God presence in everyone you meet. And bottom of the deck I'm having partnership. So some of you are going to meet the twin flame, definitely the partner, the love partner. Here there is a partnership which is coming up for you. God speaks to you through people. We are the ambassador grace for one another. So there is a partnership which is coming up for you, Aquarius, in the month of December here. And there is mirror here. So some of you, if you are with a twin flame journey, there is a mirror effect which is happening here, but you need to learn to see God presence in everyone you meet. Okay, 0444 is a recording reading time. So let's see more messages here. Let me add one message from the super attractor. Please give me one message. Okay. I can do less and attract more. So you can take a screenshot of it and you can use this affirmation. I can do less and attract more. Okay. Now let's see message from Wisdom for Healing cards. See the synchronicities. Okay, there is lot of synchronicities which are happening up for you, Aquarius. Okay, so follow your intuitions and see the synchronicities, because the angels and the community and the universe is trying to give you the message here. Okay, expect a miracle. Today's lesson is expect a miracle, Aquarius. Something will come into your life that will serve your healing. So be open to it and express your gratitude when it occurs. Your goal is to know that the world will become a vessel for the divine when you see the divine in all the things. See, that's the same message. You have to learn to see the God presence in everyone you meet. Okay? So this is beautiful. Let me see a message from the fairies. Let me add one message from the fairies. Please, fairies, give me one message for Aquarius for this reading. Purity. Always trust in the purity of your heart. Look inside your heart, and within it you will find the answer of your question. So if you're trying to find the answer, so there is an answer inside your soul. You will find it out. You just need to see within yourself. Okay. Now let me add, thank you for giving the messages. Let me add the message from the Divine Abundance cards. Thank you for giving the messages. This card just fallen out. Divine Source. Help me know that all my deepest needs will be met. Let me trust that you have a plan and the right actions will come. You are my source for all. Divine Source. You can also take a screenshot of it. But this says that you have to keep faith. Have faith in the Divine Source, because Divine Source will going to give you the things at the divine timing, and they will meet. Divine will give you, they know what are your needs, and they are going to meet the needs of you. Okay, you are going to get the needs, whatever needs you are requiring in your life, you're going to get fulfilled for those things. So let's see one message from the Healing Mantra deck. Please give me the message for Aquarius. What is the message you want me to deliver? Okay, I got 2. Asking for angelic support. My angel respond when I'm open and authentic and about how I feel. So you can ask the angelic support here, and your angels will respond when you are open and authentic about how you feel. Okay. Then the second message is exploring unity consciousness. I am one eternal light appearing as all. The same message is coming again and again here, that um, you have to learn to see the God presence in everyone you meet here, Aquarius. Okay, so let me add one message from the Ask Your Guides here. Please give me one important message for Aquarius. Truth. Beautiful. Number 21. So this says honesty, clarity, discipline. Your higher self is present, activating your powers of reason and intellect. It asks you to develop clarity and objectivity when looking at your life, rather than interpreting events through murky and distorted waters of emotion. Okay, so this is the time to address your unbalanced budget and look for the ways to cut corners. It is the also time to acknowledge your ever expanding waistline and seek out what's really eating at you. This is when you need to step away from your emotions and dispassionately study the problems at hand, so that you can come to a solution without blame and projection. Ask yourself what the problem is and not who the problem is. Okay, so this is beautiful message here. You need to look for the truth behind the appearances. Okay, ask that what is the problem, not who is the problem. Okay, so this is beautiful message. Now let me add one message from the crystal spirits. Please give me the message for Aquarius. Okay, what is the message you want me to deliver? Okay, so this is Auralite and this is Numerolite. Okay, Numerolite number 38 and Auralite. Okay, so let me read it out from the book. So this says mindfulness, meditation on the present. Are you mindful of what is going on right now in your relationship, its qualities and patterns? Or Auralite spirit wants you to observe what is working so you can build upon it, and see what is not working so you can begin to address it. Okay, so be fully present in your relationship today. Meditate, and then as you interact with those you love, pay attention, observing without judgment, noticing what is happening without spinning a story of shoulds and oughts to have. Okay, so this is very beautiful. The message is that you have to see the real truth without judging others. See the picture from a higher perspective. See the picture as an observer, not as a participant. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving here for you, Aquarius. Now let's see the next message of Numite. This is achieving self-mastery, inner power, recovering your sense of self. Okay, so this is a sign that you might be understanding how far you have come. Okay, so you are your minds are conditioned to pay attention to the negative and overlook all that is good in our lives. Okay, but you may not have received a blue big ribbon or a parade in your honor, but the conscious universe acknowledges, edges and celebrates all your hard work mastering your fears. So give yourself credit and keep practicing here. So this is very beautiful message here, Aquarius. So thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from the native spirits, and then I'm going to close out this reading. Okay, please give me one message for Aquarius. Okay, this is Wounded Healer. So this says that there is a healing energy, vitality and life force energy are flowing through you and to you. You are a healer and you provide healing for others. Even if you are not conscious of it, whatever needs the healing in your life is being resolved. Your So-called faults are becoming your virtues. No matter what has happened in your past, the past does not need to be equal to the future. And it's true, the cracks can be where the light enters the soul. So this is very beautiful message here, and this is the same message here which was here, that there is a healing energy which is present for you here. Just open up to receive, Aquarius. Okay, so healing energy is here, and you are a healer. You can heal yourself, and even you can heal others too. So that's the message I am receiving here, Aquarius. So I hope, so this was your reading. I hope it will help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all those who are watching my video. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.